guys, this is Jenny from Center Petals. Welcome to my new channel. I'm starting this channel to share my 10 years of floral design experience with stay-at-home moms. You will see some floral tips and tricks and learn about floral designs, flowers, and tools. And together we'll discover some ways that stay-at-home moms can learn to do something that's just for them and not have mom guilt about it. I'm a simple and t-shirt and jeans kind of girl, or leggings. So you can expect to see some t-shirts for my travels and messy hair days, all while learning about flowers and design. The main purpose of this channel is for stay-at-home moms to learn to do something that creates joy for themselves and is a new hobby for them in their daily lives. Even if you aren't a stay-at-home mom, there's something about floral design you could learn too. If you keep watching, you'll have a chance to get exclusive content and help shape future products and collections. And if you think you will like this channel, hit subscribe below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!